Hello and welcome to Home English Center. My name is Daniel Schmidt and this is a quick tutorial on navigating our web page. First of all, you'll see some tabs at the top: Home, Shop, Booking Online, Logging In, and your cart. This is the home page. You can scroll down here. This is the place where you'll find any tutorials like this one on how it works. This is where you'll find our most popular lessons. Here you'll find some information about our web page. Here you'll find what courses we offer, and here is a little bit more about us. We are back at the top. Next tab here is Shop. Go ahead and click on that. Here you'll find all the lessons. Here's an example lesson here. You can, if you're happy with that. If you don't know what it is, there, level G2 places. The levels are described on the home tab over there. So this would fall into the 6 to 8 year old range because it's a level G2. All right, let's quickly go back again. So if you're happy with this product, click on it, have a good look. Once you've clicked on it, you could read a little bit about the product information, what it has to offer, and the price. If you're happy with everything here, you can go ahead and add it to your cart. Once it's added to your cart, here you can go ahead, look at the subtotal, everything added, and then you click on View Cart. Once you've clicked on View Cart, it should look like this. Make sure the quantity is correct. The total will be tallied up here. Then you can click Check Out with PayPal. Go ahead and click on that. Then it will come up to the affiliate PayPal web page. If you have a PayPal account, feel free to log in to transfer the funds. If you don't, click here, pay with a bank account or credit card. We'll go ahead and click on that. And then you can put in your details there, and that should finish the payment portion. Back on the web page, the final thing we want to discuss is the online booking. The Book Online tab is over here. We'll go ahead and click on that, where you will see there are 3 English speaking options, 1 content related topic, that is for some of our lessons if you want to speak to someone regarding that. Free speaking, that would be where you are just talking to one of the tutors about a variety of topics. And then a topic related speaking, which is a specific topic that you want to speak to a professional about. There are 2 options for each. There is a 60-minute and a 30-minute option, and the way it works is you would go ahead and click on the book. The page will then bring you up to a calendar where you can choose a date and a time that suits you. From there, you'll go ahead and click on Next. You give us your details, and then you would go through to the payment portal, which we already discussed. After you have paid, you will receive a booking confirmation with the time, date, and the available lecturer or teacher. Over here, it would be Teacher Daniel that you would be booking with. Okay, thank you very much for listening to this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us. If you want to stay in touch with us and all our new products as they come out, you can sign up as a member. You can just click on this tab here, sign up with an email, and you'll be kept up to date with everything that changes and all of our new lessons as they come in. Thank you very much and have a nice day.